Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me Tecno Pova 5 Pro device, and I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when screen on this device is not responding. So basically it can happen because of two reasons. First reason, it's when you have damaged your screen and your touch screen is damaged. So in this situation, unfortunately, I can't help you. You need to get your device to the customer service, and only in the customer service specialists can give you access on this situation. But if it's just because of Android and Chinese UI, so you just need to perform the force restart. To perform the force restart, you need to press and hold together power and volume down buttons during maybe 5 seconds, and then release both of keys and wait a while. So you can try to press and hold it maybe 10 seconds if 5 seconds isn't works. So sometimes you just need to press and hold a little longer. Great, that's it. We have performed the force restart, we have cleared the cache, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you!